Hello everyone and welcome to Statistical channel. And in this playlist, basically we are going to see about all the beginner level projects that I have been created up until now. And this is also a part of Python Explained Clearly series, basically the foundation series of Python basics. So if you do want to know the right topics behind these projects, please do visit that series too. And keep watching this playlist to see an end-to-end projects. So basically, let me tell you what are the projects that are basically present in this series. So let me just open the window. Okay, now so this series is going to is having and it is containing the simple project like simple calculator, console-based ATM project, statistical analysis tool, Python number guessing game, and rock paper scissors game, optics calculator, and then we got our some more projects like Python password strength checker, quiz app, notes maker, expense tracker, student grade management system, as well as Python metrics calculator project. So about these projects, how the series is actually built. So let me tell you that too. So basically, the projects are in this way. So there is a Python node, Python you can say file in which at the header I have written all the specification of the project. That means the project description. You can say the skill used or concept used and the objectives and the of course how it is working and these kind of things are actually written at the top of the notebook. And if you do want to you can say have the code, then you can visit my GitHub profile too, and all the code is basically present there, so you can visit that and just keep seeing the projects. So that's all about it. And yeah, that's but yeah, that's all about that. So please do watch this video, and that's all for now.